Hello everyone, we are from group L037. My name is Fatin Ashifana Zara binti Abdullah and my metric number is A23A1940. Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to walk you through Smart Shelf Nexus. At its core, this project is about technological integration and strategic innovation, specifically aimed at creating a more reconfigurable supply chain for the modern retail world. Before we get into the detail, I would like to introduce the executive innovation team behind this vision. Our strategic oversight is led by our president, which is me, Fatin Ashifana Zara binti Abdullah. Working alongside is Khairunisa binti Muhammad Khairi, who handle our operations and workflow implementation. To ensure everything is secure, Sarif Muhammad Adam bin Sarif Rosli manage our blockchain and ledger architecture. On the user and group side, Damia Mansara is our VP of marketing, which is she's focusing on the consumer interface, while Iqmal Irfan serves as our VP of finance, which is he keeping a close eyes on ROI and how we allocate our resource. So, why did we build this? Well, there is a major omnichannel retail disconnect happening right now. The legacy problem is that traditional supply chain tend to lose visibility the moment a product actually hit the retail flow. We know it's in the store, but we don't know what's happening after that. There is a gap because we haven't had a reliable way to break physical data with digital system right at the point where the consumer is interacting with the product. To reach the truly seamless omnichannel idea, we need real-time and shelf-level behavior data. That's exactly where Smart Shelf Nexus come in. We are basically transforming passive retail furniture into active network nodes. Instead of just being a place to stack product, the Smart Shelf is intelligent and autonomous asset. It's designed to capture, analyze, and secure real-time data on both inventory level and consumer interaction. By moving away from static stocking, the shelf acts as a continuous tracking system that is directly integrated into the broader supply chain.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Khairunisa binti Muhammad Khairi and my metric number is A23A1840. Let me start by explaining the core architecture of Smart Shelf Nexus. This system is built on a 4-tier structure. At the foundation, layer 1, use RFID and indoor positioning to track product movement in real time. Moving up, layer 2, act as a sensory hub, where IoT devices collect environmental and interaction data inside the store. Layer 3 is analytic engine, where the machine learning process this data to understand customer behavior and detect pattern. Finally, layer 4, ensure that trust security using blockchain technology, making all inventory data immutable and secure. So overall, these 4 layers work together to create a smart, automate and secure retail system. This slide shows how Smart Shelf capture real-world store activity using IoT and indoor positioning. First, continuous monitoring replaces manual stock checking with real-time updates, improving accuracy and efficiency. Second, spatial precision allows the system to track the exact location of item, especially high-value product, reducing misplacement. Last, RFID technology enables fast and passive scanning of inventory without human intervention. Together, these technologies create a high accurate and automated inventory tracking system. Here we can see how physical customer action are transformed into meaningful insight. The process starts with the input node where action like picking up or returning product are captured. Then the algorithm nodes use machine learning to analyze this behavior and identify patterns such as customer interest or demand trends. Finally, The output node generates actionable results like predictive restocking alert and optimized store layout. This allows retailers to make smarter decisions based on real customer behavior. Data security is a major concern in smart systems, and this slide shows how we solve that. Before using blockchain, centralized systems are vulnerable to cyber attack the data tampering. After integrating blockchain, all transactions are recorded in an immutable ledger, meaning they cannot be altered. This also improves trust between stakeholders, including retailer, manufacturer, and logistic provider. So blockchain ensures transparency, security, and reliability across the entire system. Finally, this innovation is grounded in Industry 4.0 principle. Smart Shelf combines cyber physical system, IoT, and cloud computing into one integrated solution. This allows real system communication between physical shelf and digital system. As a result, it transforms traditional retail into a smart, data-driven environment. In terms of impact, it shifts operation for reactive to proactive, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experience. Overall, Smart Shelf represent the future of intelligent retail system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arya Muhammad Adam bin Sari Rosli. My matrix number is A23A2257. So today, I would like to talk about enabling the reconfigurable supply chain. This uses theoretical framework too. Dynamic topologies. Traditional supply chains are linear and brittle. The S network is highly flexible and dynamic. The shelf as a catalyst by feeding real-time, ultra-accurate demand shocks directly from the shelf to the manufacturer. The smart shelf allows the entire upstream network to reconfigure its production and routing instantaneously. The strategic horizon for smart shelf capabilities. Advancement 1. Autonomous orchestration. Future iteration will allow individual chefs to bypass human managers entirely. Negotiation directly with automated warehouses and robotic fulfillment centers for autonomous restocking. For advancement 2, blockchain-driven sustainability. Real-time integration of carbon tracking. The chef will verify and display the exact, immutable environmental footprint of a specific item based on its unique supply chain journey. Diagnosing the leap from legacy system to Nexus. For operation dimension, first, data latency. Second, decision making. Third, security and trust. For traditional legacy shelving, first, end of day or end of week batch audits. Second, reactive based on historical safe data. And third, vulnerable, centralized database subject to tampering. For Smart Shelf Nexus, first, millisecond level real-time continuous streaming. Second, predictive based on real-time customer behavioral ML models. And third, immutable decentralized blockchain ledgers. Quantifying the operational value of the connected node. Operation supremacy. Pillar 1, resiliency provides instant shock absorption against demand spikes. By acting as an early warning system in the S network, it prevents the bullwhip effect. For Pillar 2, efficiency. Drastically reduce manual labor costs and out-of-stock scenarios. ML-driven layout optimization increase throughput per square foot. For Pillar 3, security blockchain ensure that competitor espionage or cyber attack cannot alter inventory through or disrupt localized supply chain. The foundation node of future supply chain. For synthesis, the Smart Shelf Nexus is not merely upgrade retail furniture, it is a critical cyber physical bridge. For final takeaway, by successfully integrating IoT perception, machine learning cognition, and blockchain trust, Nexus supply chain solution has engineered the ultimate sensory node required for resilient, autonomous Industry 4.0 logistics.